SUNHUNK date from early 1990s. Fixed assets exceeded 3 billion yuan. Annual output value over 4 billion yuan. Having production bases in Beijing, Hubei, and Jiangsu. Employees over 4,000. Sales and service network covers 33 countries and regions. The scope of business encompasses various types of engineering, machinery, and large structural components for heavy equipment, such as dump truck body with rear or three-sided unloading, special vehicle frame, special equipment, structural components, special telescopic mechanism, engineering machinery components, special vehicle components, large lifting platform. The cutting department is equipped with a variety of laser cutting and CNC bending machines, featuring a maximum laser cutting power of 15,000 watts, a repeat positioning accuracy of 0.02 millimeters, a maximum bending capacity of 2,500 tons, and a bending precision of is less than or equal to 0.2 degrees. Welding is equipped with 31 sets of automated welding equipment, achieving a repeat positioning accuracy of 0.02 millimeters, and is certified by the EN 15085 welding system. Equipped with high-end quality testing equipment, implementing scientifically rigorous testing processes, and strictly adhering to international quality management systems, the Beijing factory and Yangzhou factory are respectively located near 2 airports and 3 ports, enabling product shipments to cover global transportation routes and meet international demands. Customer-centric and efficiency committed. We tailor the most optimal KD solutions for you.